to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Love Song by Sara Bareilles. I've listened to the way she plays it live and it's mostly the same thing, so I have listened to that more than I have the actual track. This is pretty much what she plays all the time. It's fairly repetitive. It's definitely not for beginners. It's quite rhythmical. She's got a very rhythmical way of playing. I'll attempt to sing each section just as a reference point, but I have left the full chords and lyrics linked down below as well. So here is middle C. If you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano, you'll notice that I've shifted my camera a bit lower down because we are mostly playing around this region with octaves in the left hand. This one's in the key of F major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F major. So I'm going to teach both hands at the same time. So left hand is blue and right hand is orange on the screen there. Okay, so the first chord is a G minor chord. If you can play octaves in the left hand, if you can't play octave, you're just going to have to play singular notes. So I will play in octaves. So we play G, B flat and D. So we play them together. 1, 2, 3. And then you're always going to play your left hand before your right hand. It makes it sound very rhythmical. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and then A, F major, which is F, A, C, B flat, and then B flat sus 2, which is B flat, C, and F. 1, 2, 3. So again, we've got 1, 2, 3, A, F major, B flat, sus 2, 2, 3, and then we play a C, C's in the left hand, followed by a C major second inversion in the right hand, which is G, C, E, up to D, and then D minor, root position in the right hand, which is D, F, and A. 1, 2, 3. So I'll join that in from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. And then we come up to E. We play C major root position, C, E, G. Come up to F in the left hand. And then we play F major, second inversion 3 times. So that's C, F, and A. 1, 2, 3. And then the left hand comes all the way down to F sharp. So we've got this F sharp in the left hand, and the right hand is going to play first inversion of D major. So we have F sharp, A, and D once, and then before we repeat that, as in going back into G minor, we're going to play a very quick C sharp, like that. It's just a flicker of a note. So the intro there, then we have the chords are, that we're just breaking them up a bit more. So it's G minor, F over A, B flat sus 2, C major, D minor, C over E, F major, D over F sharp. So I'm going to do all of that from the beginning. I'll just do it again. I'll do it a bit quicker. That's the intro. You do that once, and then you do that 4 more times for the verse.
To breathe easy for a while. The brain think it's hard.
into the pre-chorus. So there's no new chords. I'm just going to start using the pedal, and we just play the chords whilst holding the left hand down. So we have G minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, F over A, 1, 2, 3, 4. The B flats is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The C 3 times, 1, 2, 3. D over F sharp, G minor 4 times, F over A, B flats is 2, 5 times. So I'll just demonstrate the pre-chorus then. Blank stares at blank pages, no easy way to say this. You mean well, but you make this hard on me. I'm not gonna write you a love song. And then we're into the chorus. So again, not really any new chords that much. There's maybe 2 new chords, that is it. So we'll just go over them. So we have G minor, and then when she plays it live, she plays a C, I guess it's a C9. So C in the left hand, and then it's still that G minor chord, but we're adding the C in there. So I hear this D in here. So this is a that's a C9, but we're just bunching, we're not using an E. So you're gonna play that 4 times. F over A 4 times. The B flats is 2, 3 times. The passing chord of D over F sharp. Repeat it again. So next we have G minor, F over A. We have D minor again, but this time we played it here in the verse, but we're going to play it in second inversion. So A, D, F, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is a G7 chord. This is the other new chord. So you can play just B, D and F in the right hand, or you can add the G in there if you want. And then we need G's in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flats is 2, 4 times. And then the C chord, which is held. So I'll just do that second bit again. G minor, F over A, D minor, G dominant 7, B flats is 2, C major. So I'll just demonstrate the chorus now then. I'm not gonna write you a love song, cause you ask for it, cause you need one. That is see, I'm not gonna write you a love song. Could you tell me is make a break in this and go on your way? I'm not gonna write you and stay. If all we have is leaving, I'ma need a better reason to write you a love song today. Okay, so you may have noticed that I'm kind of doing more of a pattern in the chorus. So I'm kind of going 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just repeating the note that's under my thumb. So going 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, occasionally just landing on chords like that. Again, it just makes it more rhythmical. It suits the nature of the song. I'm not gonna write you a love song. Could you ask for it? Cause you need one. You see, I'm not gonna write you a love song. Could you tell me it's make a break? back into the intro. And then we're into the second verse. Just going to play that the same way as the first one. I learned the hard way that they all say things you want to hear. My heavy heart sings deep down under you, and your twisted words, your help just hurts. You are not what I thought you were. Then it's into the pre-chorus, which is the same as before. Convinced me to please you, can make me think that I need this too. I'm trying to let you hear me as I am. I'm not gonna write you a love song. Could you ask for it? Could you need one? You see, I'm not gonna write you a love song. Could you tell? Into the bridge. So it's maybe a couple of different chords in here. So we have D minor second version like we've played it before, and then we have A minor root position. So A, C, E with A's in the left hand. B flat major, you can stick to playing B flat sus2, it still sounds nice. B flat major is the D instead of the C. And then we have this F first inversion chord, but just once, into C over E. So G, C and E in the right hand, second inversion of C major with E in the left hand. Back to D minor, A minor, B flat major, the F chord again, into C major this time, so with the C in the bass, back to D minor, and this time instead of playing A minor it's an A major. So I believe. So we've got C sharp in there instead of C natural, B flat major, into C major. So I'll do all that again. So I'm just, again as before, just replaying the odd note with my thumb in my left hand here and there. I'll just demonstrate the bridge now then. Promise me that you leave the light on to help me see with daylight my guide gone, 'cause I believe there's a way you can love me, because I'll say I won't write you a love song. Could you ask for it? And then we're into the chorus. It's like just stripped back. So we've got the G minor, again nothing new. So this one we're kind of sort of going to play it the same way, like the rhythm as the intro verse parts, but the chords are the same as the chorus. So we're going like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then to the C9, 1, 2, 3, 4, to F over A, 1, 2, 3, 4, to B flat sus2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Could you ask for it? Could you need one? I just say I'm not gonna write you a love song. When you tell me it's make or break in this, is that what you wanted in into the chorus. So again, the chords are on the screen. Okay, so the next part is slightly different. So we've got G minor, F over A, B flat major, C major, D minor, G7, B flat sus2, C major. So that bit goes, I'm not gonna write you. We do the outro, but twice. And then it just ends with the F at the end on the root chord. So I'll just play it from like the last chorus part all the way to the end. You can love me because I say love song, 'cause you asked for it, 'cause you need one. You see, I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause you tell me it's make or break in this. Is that why you wanted a love song? 'Cause you asked for it, 'cause you need one. You see, I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause you tell me it's make or break. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit Bitesize Piano course.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.